word problem. In our previous lesson, we talked about word problem, and I showed you some steps you will follow when solving word problem. We said the first step, you have to choose a letter that will represent the unknown, and then that information given to you, you have to form it to what? Algebraic word statement, and then you make equation with that information given to you, and after that you solve your what? You solve the equation. Then after solving the equation, you write your solution in words, and then after that you check your solution if your solution is true or what? False.
All right.
Now let's continue. The third example, example 3, we said that the question is this: the sum of 4 consecutive number is 54 numbers. Find the numbers. Students, first we have to know the meaning of this consecutive. Solution. The word consecutive, it means one after the other. Now we have also, if we want to consider ordinary consecutive number, that is natural number, you have your normal counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. You call it what? Consecutive what? Natural numbers. Now let's see how we derive this number. Now to do it, if we say that k is a natural number, now to get the next one will be what? K plus what? 1. Now to get the next one also will be what? K plus 2. Now let's see if it is true. If we say that this k now is what? 2. The next number that follows 2 is what? 3. So here now will be what? 2 plus 1, and that will give you what? 3. Now if we say also that k here is what? 2. You know that after 3 you count what? 4. So the next number will be what? 2 plus what? 2, and that will give you what? 4. Now also we have also, you know that this is, if you want to count odd number, you say 2, 4, 6, 8, and so forth will give you what? Consecutive
even numbers. Now we want to derive this consecutive even numbers. If we say that your m is what? If m is 2, so to get the next the next number, which is 4, that will be what? M plus what? 2. Now to get the next one, that is what? 6, that will be what? M plus what? 4. So let's see if it is true. Yeah, now if m is 2, the next number now is what? 4. And now if m is 2, the next number will be what? 2 plus 2, and that will give you what? 4. And the next one is also what? 2 plus 4, and that will give you what? 6. Now also, if you know that your odd number is what? 1, 3, 5, 7, and so forth, you call it what? Consecutive odd numbers.
Now to derive this, if we say that a is 1, then the next one will be what? A plus what? 2. The next one will be what? A plus 4. Now you have this. Let's see if it is true. If a is 1, the next one will be what? 1 plus 2.
and that will be 3. The next one will be what? 1 plus 4, and that will be what? 5. Now we want to solve this question here. The sum of 4 consecutive numbers is what? 54. You are asked to find the number. Now, if you consider the question now, they didn't say odd number or what? Even number. It's just a natural what? Number. Now, to derive its solution, no, you have this. Now, let the numbers be what? Number 1, K. You know, they said the four consecutive numbers. The first number is K, and then the second one is K plus what? 1. And then third one is K plus what? 2. And the fourth one is K plus what? 3. Now we want to form a question with this. Then you have K, say the sum of these will give you what? 54. You have K plus 1 plus K plus 2 plus K plus 3. All will give you what? 54. Now open the bracket. When you open these brackets, you have what? K plus 1 plus K plus 2 plus K plus 3 is equals to what? 54. The next thing you have to do, collect like terms. Collect like terms. That will be K plus K plus K plus K plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to what? 54. Now, K plus K plus K plus K will give you what? 4K plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 will give you 3. 3 plus 3 will give you 6. You have 6. It's equals to what? 54. Now we have formed a question with the what? With the information given. We'll start solving. First, we want to eliminate this. To eliminate that 6, that is subtract both. Subtract 6. Subtract 6 from both sides. You have what? 4K plus 6 minus 6 is equals to what? 54 minus what? 6. Now 4K plus K plus 6 minus 6 will give you what? 4K is equals to 54 minus 6 will give you what? 48. So now divide both. Divide both side by what? 4. That is the coefficient of what? K. To eliminate this 4, you have 4K over 4 is equal to 48 over 4. 4 will divide itself 1, divide this 1. 4 divide this 1, divide this will give you 12. So you have your K is equals to what? 12. So if K is equals to, and you're asked to find what? To find the numbers. If K is equals to 12, that is the first number.
The first number.
The second number is K plus 1, and that will be what? 12 plus 1, and that will give you 13. And that will give you 12 plus 2, and it will be what? 14. The fourth one is K plus 3, and that is what? 12 plus 3, and that will give you what? 15. So, we have solved this question. The next one, the last example 4. The sum of 3 consecutive even number is what? 60. Find the numbers. Solution. Yeah, now we are asked to find consecutive even number. Let the numbers be 1. The first one is what? Let us use x to represent it. The first one is what? X. The second one will be what? X plus 2. The third one will be what? X plus 4. Now let's form equation with this. X plus bracket x plus 2 plus x plus 4 will give you what? 60. 60. Now open your brackets, remove brackets. You have x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals to what? 60. Now collect like terms. You have x plus x plus x plus 2 plus 4 will give you 60. So x plus x plus x will give you what? X plus x plus x will give you what?
3x.
X plus 2 plus 4 x plus x plus x will give you what? 3x plus 2 plus 4 will give you what? 6. So equals to what? 60. Now take this one to the other side, subtract 6 from what? Both sides. Now you have 3x plus 6 minus 6 is equals to 60 minus 6. 6 minus 6 will give you what? 0. You have what? 3x at your left hand side. Then 60 minus 6 will give you 54. Now divide both by what? By 3. That is the coefficient of what? Divide both sides by 3. You have 3x over 3 is equals to what? 54 over 3. 3 divide itself 1, divide this 1, you are left with what? X. Then 3 divide this 1, divide this is what? 18. So x is equals to what? 18. Now x is 18, that is the first what? Number. The second number is x plus what? 2. X plus 2 will give you 18 plus 2, and that will give you 20. The next number now is what? The third number is x plus 4, and that will be 18 plus 4 will give you what? 22. You know that 18, 20, and 22 are all what? Even numbers.
Okay.
Thank you for today.
All right.
We'll meet next time.
Thank you,
God bless
Auntie.
you all.